My stock tank hot tub, propane, on demand, hot water heated, instant to the temperature that I prefer. I just got this set up, tested, and did a little video on filling the tub, but I thought I would show you some features of it. So this is ready to go. I just turned this guy on, and voila! This starts doing its thing. Leave the hose in there. And it'll come up and then it'll kind of hover around a certain temperature depending on what your settings are. This is the lowest amount of water. This will turn up the water volume and lower the temperature. You can raise the gas level up. I just think that's more work for the machine, so I found kind of turning the water level not necessarily all the way down, which that's how you're going to get the most. High heat, low water will get it pretty hot. Sometimes, it'll get up to 140, 150, which is great, but maybe you don't want it that hot. So you just adjust the knobs a little bit and get it to a nice temperature. Meanwhile, this is steamy, nice, filling in the tub. It's a great little setup. I've had a few baths in it so far. They were at night, and pictures and videos really don't come out so well in the dark.